Microsoft Word comes with a built-in indexing tool that can automatically create an index based on the entries you choose. And if you want to know more about this, make sure to watch this video tutorial. Now first, open a Microsoft Word document, select a word or a group of words for your index, click the References tab, choose Click the Mark Entry option, change how the word or phrase appears in the index, add the sub-entry if you want, and choose the location reference in the index entry. Now you can either format the page numbers in your index with either bold or italics, then click Mark to save your entry. Once you're done doing that, continue marking other entries. And if you want to insert an index page, click your mouse cursor where you want to place the index, click the Insert tab, insert the page break so the index has its own page, click the References tab, click the Insert Index option, select your index type, choose the number of columns, select an index design from the Formats menu, and click OK to save your index. Now that's how quick and easy you can create an index in your Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.